this is a very high soul, divine soul connection which is coming through. But yeah, I feel they mirror you. Hello, Leos. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for Jan 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the Spirit has for us. All right. So we have harmony and resolution, which is coming in, peaceful, creative resolutions, which are there. And it also seems like, in order to have more harmony, there's a need of having faith in yourself, trusting yourself and the other person, that kind of a thing which is coming in, or paying attention to each and every aspect of your life also, which is coming through, a sense of balance which is very much required. Or before reacting, make sure that you're feeling calm so that and collected, so that you can look at the whole picture from a higher perspective is also coming through. This almost seems like, release the guilt, fear which has been holding you back, or releasing certain kind of weight to feel more calm and at peace with yourself. All right, let's look into the love messages coming in. Thank you. So we have playfulness coming in at your end. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine coming through, keeping things light-hearted, especially if things have been way too serious. We have clearly decide, clear your vision. What do you really want? Is the person you are with right now, whoever has your interest, whether in partnership or not? How does that person make you feel? How do you feel about yourself when you are with them? That is also coming in. Have we become too serious or too boggled down by the details that we're not having fun along the way? That kind of a thing. We have new love also coming in. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings, or it could be rekindling, resparking old flame coming through. But in the sense, like, even with the person, partnership wise, there's a new energy which will be re-infusing the love that is also coming through. And we have soulmate coming in. Yes, this is your soulmate coming through. This recognition is coming in from the other side, because this is the sign that I read for, and this is the other person. But take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't. All right, I feel that they are recognizing that there is a very deep soul connection they have with you, that you are not any other person, but this is something very much fated, overlooked by the divine, and they're paying the respect accordingly. And they're seeing you in a new way also. Maybe there was a period where it was very volatile, but it was a journey of coming back to yourself, centralizing yourself. And with that, you were able to have more fun because you were releasing the expectations that you had from others. And there was certain kind of freedom that you were giving the other person, or whatever it is, like, you started pursuing your own dreams and all of that. You got busy, and, like, whenever you are together, you're having more fun, you're cracking more jokes and all of that. There's this new energy shift which is happening in you, and they are seeing you falling in love with you all over again. That is also coming through. Could be for singletons, a new love is coming in, something that came to an end, and you are coming out of that healing period. You're feeling good about yourself, you're becoming clear of your visions and what you can offer. You are valuing yourself. There's this very nice enthusiasm spirit which is within you, and that is attracting many, many suitors in your life, and one of them is a soulmate coming in very strongly for you. When one door closes, another one opens up, is the energy which is coming through. So don't fret of what happened in the past, even if it was a relationship for some people out there which came to an end. Because when something finishes off in your life, goes away, something even better replaces it. So that is what is coming through. We have the high priestess coming in, Pisces energy, which is coming through. They see you as very mystical, someone who may be hiding their true feelings is also coming in, but someone who is surer, has a lot to offer. They feel like, you may be holding yourself back in expressing how you truly feel. That is also coming in. Let's go forward and see something more comes through. We have the page of swords coming in, someone who is kind of look spying on another person or is trying to go within is also coming in, certain kind of healing or going within, releasing certain things out of your life, kind of energy which is coming through, and the confusion which is going away is also coming in. We have 10 of wands which is coming in reverse, which is talking about letting go of inhibitions, self-limiting thoughts, the guardedness or the walls which were there, they are simmering down is what is coming through, because someone wants to let go of the past themselves also, especially if there was certain kind of past healing issues which are coming in. But yes, this is a person who has also been hurt in the past, but now they are coming to a point where they can release whatever has been tying them down is also coming through. Maybe it is also inspired by the way you have overcome certain setbacks in your life that inspires this person to become a better person for you is also coming in over here. But they also, any kind of inhibitions, stuck energy, indecision which may be coming in from this person, they want to overcome them because they realize now how deep is this soul connection. That is also coming in. They may have felt daunted and they may have come out as guarded, but they want to let go of it and experience this, or experience something new, like taking the next step in love is also coming through. They recognize who you are and they're saying, I'm sorry that you felt that I never cared for you, but I, like, deep down I really did. And now I come in terms with that. I am coming in terms with that. We have Scorpio Major Arcana also coming in, death, transformations which are coming in, something that needed to come to an end, and they are letting go of their past, any inhibition that may have been there, an obstacle that may have been there, whether it was physical distance or emotional distance which was there. Rekindling of heart is coming in, and at the top we have eight of wheels, eight of pentacles which is coming in, talking about they really want to make things work in this partnership, coming through quite significantly. 10, significance, abundance which will be coming in, but 10 also talks about completions which are very much required. Becoming aware of your own truth. Bringing in more harmony in your life, in your mind. Energy wise, we have happy family coming through, someone who's a little scared of their dreams coming true is also coming through, trying to think about the future long term but getting a little petrified or agitated, that is also coming in. Holding yourself back from experiencing something nice is the energy which is coming in over here. We have Archangel Michael, root chakra awakening, which will be very much required. Don't resist change. Let go of that which is moving out of your life. It is divinely orchestrated, or was. In order for this to come into your life, new love, soulmate connection to be enhanced or come into your life, or even re-enter for some people. We have action coming in with the yang energy. We have angel of strength, you are on their mind is also coming in. They really have to step it up, take the next action in order to come towards you. They want to reach out to you is also coming through. They want to, they, especially if it was something more internalized, feelings being internalized or all in the head kind of a thing, uh, unsaid words, feelings not expressed. I feel like there's this transformation happening with realizations, development, moving forward, releasing certain things, that there's this need of wanting to ground the connection, but there's something or the other which is certain kind of procrastination which has stopped things to move forward is also coming in, whether it is fear, whether it is indecision, whatever it is, from whichever end. Root chakra, solar plexus chakra, have more faith is coming in. Know that you have the strength to overcome any obstacle that may be in front of you in order to navigate towards a more prosperous life is also coming in. At the bottom, we have seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel coming in with the crown chakra activation coming through. Follow your intuition coming in. Your gut feeling is guiding you. We have financial constraints. Um, since it came out like this. At the top, we have someone maybe a little feeling a little financially insecure, which is why they're thinking like, I have to build. Whether it is coming from, it's more over here coming in. Too much stress which has been going on, which is why we have a reminder from the romance angels like, just stop and have fun. There's too much stress which has been going on. The spirit is trying to teach you a lesson. Have you learned it? Or have we been just stressing about the finances? Speak your truth coming through with Archangel Gabriel and throat chakra coming in. Use your logic also. Let go of fear is coming through. At the end of Jan, we have Mercury retrograde coming in. So be very articulate, very clear, and don't jump into conclusions because miscommunication does tend to happen, and Mercury retrograde doesn't really always start at that period. It does have shadow post and pre and post shadow periods also 14 days before, 14 days after the retrograde. So just be aware of that. Be more grounded. Grounding is very much essential over here. Very much essential over here. There's this projection of being very happy and all of that, but there's certain kind of stress, uncertainty, which is eating someone up over here. Even if actions are being taken positively, progressively, there's a lot of hitch which is coming in over here. Someone who's trying to find the strength to move towards you, to overcome any kind of past hurdles that may still require certain kind of clearing. And the motivation is there because of the recognition which is coming through very, very strongly over here. Very, very strongly pulled towards you. All right, let's see if there's any kind of reminder from the guides over here. We have energetic clearing coming in, yeah, very much required. During crisis, the Holy One herself, Ma Kali over here, may be emptying you of fear and attachments, preparing you to receive her luminous plans. This is a time to clear or let go of the fears, fear-based mentality, certain kind of self-sabotage which is happening, not even realizing that your fears are getting manifested into a waking reality. And we need to let go of fear because the spirit of confidence and light is being brewed in you. Don't succumb to your fears. It is now time to soar. Don't hold back. Speak your truth is also coming through. We have expansiveness. Eternity is far more creative than the rigid, constrained, and exhausted ego. Someone who may be acting from a place of ego, in the sense like, sometimes ego also has this defense mechanism which starts happening in order to guard ourselves. And that may be a time where we are very like, we blurt things out, anger comes in, and we are ready to have an argument and win. But is it really the best way forward? Is there any other way of conveying what you want to say is also coming in? We have inner child and receiving also coming through over here. Could be this person may be undergoing certain kind of inner child healing. Or with the playfulness over here, I also feel like ask your inner child, what would he, she, or they like to do today? Do something fun. Life's been too serious, and life is too short to take it so seriously all the time. Receiving every day, it becomes easier to receive the highest divine plan and to trust my inner guidance. Yeah, it is coming in. Follow your intuition coming through and make sure that the voice which is talking to you is not the egoistic voice talking to you, which comes out of fear. Let's quickly look into the messages. I've just written these even when my wrist was like hurting a lot, but I just wrote them. I'm a lefty, by the way. Anyways, let's go forward. I feel like the light-hearted energy, staying optimistic, some kind of energy shift which is required. One small, simple step towards your happiness in any way will bring more satisfying, deserving experiences into your life. It is safe for you to love is also coming in. We have I miss us coming through, especially if there has been certain kind of distance, separation. They do miss you a lot, especially with the soulmate coming in, wanting to start new chapters with you. I can't wait to hold you and kiss you coming through. So sweet. This person is really, really missing you, even your touch, even your physical presence. We have, I like it when you act a little bossy. So, yeah, that is coming in. It's kind of a turn on, is also coming through. But they like it when you try taking charge of taking control of the situation and all of that. They find it cute, but just make sure that it is not overwhelmed. It is not your go to plan each and every time that things go out of control, is coming through. Loosen the grip, surrender the how is coming through. Don't limit yourself by expecting things from others, is also coming in. You awaken so many things in me, which is why the soulmate connection, yeah, like you coming into their world, into their life, has opened them up to many kind of feelings or even jealousy that they weren't aware of. But yes, spiritually, with the high priestess over here, with your spiritual growth, you are changing who you are attracting into your life, or they see you in a different light now. You inspire such good things in them. I want to travel with you, or I want to travel to you coming through. They can't wait to meet you. If you had any kind of doubt in the sense like, does this person even want to meet me? I feel like they really, really do. They're eager to see you again, is coming in. They want to travel the world with you, is also coming through, or to you as quickly as they can. Let's, those were too many. We have I didn't understand what you meant or felt in the past. With the Mercury retrograde coming in and the shadow period starting from like mid Jan, just be careful of how you're expressing yourself clearly, with patience, very much required, gracefully also. I have a strong need to be in control coming in, reflecting your energy. I feel like, this person is very much mirroring you in certain ways, whether or not it is the terms which are used for mirroring. This is a very high soul, divine soul connection which is coming through. But yeah, I feel they mirror you, like whenever they see you acting bossy or a little too much, or they feel that you are being a little aggressive at times or impulsive, it triggers this side of theirs also, where they also feel like they have to come forward with their armors, is coming in, or they have a strong need of controlling a situation, is also coming through. We have 777 coming in. The triggers were for us both to spiritually grow, and I was just talking about triggers. Spiritual awakening, spiritual growth, which is happening. If there was certain kind of separation between you two, it feels, initially it may have felt a little toxic because both were getting triggered, but this was a triggering for your own enhancement. Things may have been a little hot and cold in the past, maybe, which is why when this person comes in wanting to offer the next step with you or to deepen or ground this connection, you may have your apprehensions. But I just feel like, don't make decisions based on your fear, is all I'm going to say. Make sure that you have all the information before you make a decision. There's no one like you. They have realized that in the separation time. I dream about you often. I daydream about you. I wish to confess everything, my deepest desires for you, which I may have hid. I hid my true feelings in the past, but now I understand who you really are. And I want to run to you, express to you, is the energy which is coming through, because I do miss you. I still may need some time, but I really have good intentions. I want to put in the effort to see how this grows. Another top, we have, I've been spying on you, and we had the Page of Swords also, which does depict you spying on them, so it's like vice versa. You may be spying on each other, trying to be smart about it, but both are like trying to keep a tab on each other. Can I trust this person, kind of a thing is coming in. Anything else that we need to know? That's about it. Thank you. I am clearing karma. I still need time, which is coming in. The healing, both of you require healing. Healing together or separately before coming together. Before that resolution, reconciliation that happens. Harmony is what you will be attracting in your life. So just be aware of your thoughts. Are they in harmony with your higher potential for your higher good? Become aware of that, all right? Especially if you've been seeing 1111 and 333 also, because surprises could be coming in and good surprises may be coming in. But if you're just focusing on the worst possible outcomes, then you will be attracting such energies also into your life. So just become aware of that, all right? It's almost like Archangel Michael is coming in and telling you you have the armor to cut cords with anything which has been stopping you, limiting you. Break free from unhealthy habits, patterns. It's almost like this person is saying the separation that happened, whether distance wise or certain kind of argument which happened, and you both wanted to retreat a little, whatever, in whichever way, that separation kind of a thing which happened, whether a few days, weeks, I feel a little longer one, where you didn't get to meet each other, you didn't speak because both got busy in their own lives. In that period, they grew fonder of you, is coming through. They, someone, mostly them, they may have been scared that they'll get hurt again. That's why they hid their true feelings. But now they have this Ace of Wands energy coming in with the action over here, wanting to make things work, wanting to shift the current situation, any kind of stagnation that may have been there, getting inspired to come towards you. It could also be you getting inspired to reach out to them or initiate this conversation of taking the next step. Or it's already, even if it's not a relationship that you're attracting right now, maybe even career wise, it's just saying like, there's a new direction which is coming in. If you are thinking about choosing a different life path, while you are taking feedback and opinions of others, make sure that the final decision resolution that comes up is advantageous for you, or in sync with how you truly feel and not what the world expects from you. That is when you'll find true harmony. Let's look into the last oracle message which is coming through from the Ascended Masters. Thank you. Ouch. Lastly, we have Krishna coming in. Wow. With the peacock over your peacock feather, divine feminine energy, which is being respected. And also, peacock also reminds me of valuing yourself highly, also prioritizing yourself too, if that hasn't been there. Or if you've been giving, this is a time for receiving or the fruition of the seeds you've sown. When you do something for others, do it without expectation. Do it because it makes you feel good. This is devotion. Trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Clearly decide what you want because it will be coming in very, very soon. You are manifesting. This person may be manifesting you in their life. Stay committed to the pursuits which are beneficial, truly beneficial for you. And with the Page of Swords coming in, this also says a lot of downloads which may be happening. Your guardian angels, guides may be guiding you right now, and maybe you are too transfixed on certain things not happening in this matrix, in this reality, that you are kind of not listening to your intuition but listening to fear based thoughts, projections. That is also coming through. But know that you are being recognized and something more deserving is entering your life. A more deserving phase is entering your life. So open your arms, receive the guidance, and help the universe help you. Allow this transformation or any kind of ending to propel you towards grander beginnings, because golden opportunities will be swirling around you. Fill yourself with love, believe in yourself, and create those beautiful ripples. Awaken the divine within coming through. So that is what is coming in. Do let me know your thoughts, and please to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this reading, then please do hit the thumbs up. It really, really helps this channel, even the video, to grow. And all the very best. Happy New Year, Happy New Decade, and Happy New Age to you all. Make the best and have gratitude for all that you've already got as well. All right. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonian.